Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how to perfectly melt your frontals for a more realistic and lasting look. And the first thing you want to make sure to avoid on your hairline is moisture or oil. So I'm using a cotton wool and rubbing alcohol to remove any makeup from my hairline because that can affect our result. And the wig I'm using today is Myfirstwig Malaysian short bob in 10 inches. It comes nicely packaged in this box, and I wanted to play with some short bob wig this time, so I decided to get this gorgeous one. And also the package comes with your wig installation supplies like your wig cap, your elastic band, comb, Flyaway Tamer, wig clips, and the rest of it all. So this method called melting helps give a nice, clean and realistic hairline, and also can make the wig last for a very long time depending on how much glue you used. So I'm just going to apply my first glue, concentrating it on my actual hairline using got to be glued gel. Then I'll also spray the freeze spray and blow dry on cool. This will ensure it doesn't melt or run from your hairline, so setting it on cool should be the perfect setting to dry the gel. And you will need it to be like 80% dry, kind of tacky, before we move on to the next step. Okay, so after that I will go ahead and put on my wig cap, and while putting on the cap you want to make sure you drag it all the way past your hairline because we will cut off the excess cap, and just make sure it's snugged tightly, and then spray on some free spray and blow dry again on cool. Blow drying and applying the gel helps make sure the gel is completely tacky before you apply another layer, and depending on how much of a hold you want, you can repeat applying the gel on the wig cap over and over again, but I will just apply it like this and go ahead and dry again. One reason I love this method of wig installation is the fact that it makes your wig look better, relax properly on your hairline, and also you do not need to create a baby hair to cover the lace that normally shows in front of our wigs. It just makes the whole thing look more natural. Okay, so once the cap is completely dried, I will go on and begin to cut off the excess cap in the front. You want to cut it up close to the hairline, but be careful so you don't cut your hair. I will just gradually and slowly cut the cap. After which I will go on with a smaller scissors. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk today. After which I will go on with a smaller scissors to completely smooth it out. Sometimes if you don't take an extra time to smooth out the wig cap remains, it will show up on your wig once you apply it, and that is not what we want. And once that is done, I will go in with a little bit of gel and press down the wig cap remains. Like, we want this to be as like relaxed and as natural as possible on our hairline. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig, making sure I adjust it where necessary. Also, I will go to the back and secure the clips for a stronger hold. One thing I recently learned is that cutting the lace on your wig gives the most accurate result when you do it on your head instead of cutting it prior to installing. Doing it this way helps make sure you get the right curves and shapes of your hairline, thereby making it look more realistic in the end. Just take your time, no rush please, because we have to get the hairline right. If not, it will look block at the end, like it's just going to give your face a block look. Okay, so once we have that right, next is to spray a little of the got to be glued free spray, and then make sure to press the wig onto the place we applied the spray. I love to tie the frontal down with a pantyhose, or you can use an elastic hairband as I'm doing here, and I normally leave this on for about 2 to 3 minutes and then untie it, and this makes sure the wig is tight, snugged and secured. And you guys, look how perfect that hairline is looking. I will simply use my foundation to reapply on the places the hairband removed my makeup. To be honest, you guys, I really wanted to go for a short wig look, and I'm so happy I picked up this wig, just what I wanted: the cut, style, texture, I love it. And the last thing is to straight out the wig using a straightener, and this will ensure the wig is all nice and looking fresh. Also, I will use a mousse to relax any flyaway, and that is all there is to this video, my loves. I will link every info to this wig in my description box. Also, my first wig is having a Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale, so check them out if you're looking to get deals on 100% virgin human hair. Yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Until my next one, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.